If you want to eject SIM tray on Redmi 15, then first of all we need to prepare an eject tool. In my case it looks like this. You will find yours inside the box. And over here on the left side of the phone we have this SIM tray with a little hole. And we need to insert this eject tool into that hole and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. You just need to use a bit of force. Once the SIM tray pops out, you can just use your fingernails or fingers in order to try to remove it. I'm gonna actually insert it again because I think I pushed it a little bit too much, and we should be able to easily remove it from the device. There we go. Now let's take a look at it. So over here we have our SIM tray. It looks like this. You can also see that on this side, this is the correct side because it says face to screen. So on this side, we can insert our SIM card like this. There we go. And then we can insert it back into our device. You want to be careful to not drop the SIM card when you insert the SIM tray back into the phone, and push it in with your fingers and make sure that it doesn't stick out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.